Booker T. Washington, born into slavery, became one of America's most influential educators. In 1856, he was born on a Virginia plantation. After emancipation, he worked in salt furnaces and coal mines, dreaming of an education. At 16, he walked 500 miles to Hampton Institute, scrubbing floors to pay for his studies. In 1881, at just 25, he founded Tuskegee Institute, which grew into a powerhouse of African-American education under his leadership. Washington believed in industrial education and economic self-reliance. His legacy includes thousands of educated students, a best-selling autobiography, and a voice that reached the White House. A remarkable story of determination. Now back to the workbench with JT coin rings.
Let's dive into the Booker T. Washington half dollar. Minted from 1946 to 1951, this coin honors the famous African-American leader who rose from slavery to become a renowned educator and advisor to presidents. The obverse features Washington's profile, while the reverse showcases his birthplace cabin in the Hall of Fame for Great Americans. Interestingly, it was the first U.S. coin to depict an African-American, paving the way for more diverse representation in our currency. With over 1.5 million produced, it's a collector's gem that tells a powerful story of perseverance and progress. Next time you're coin hunting, keep an eye out for this historic half dollar.